Hey everyone, my name is Lionel and welcome to my YouTube channel. You're probably here because you're interested in programming, tech, personal growth, or you're just curious to see someone who's trying to turn their struggles into a success story. I am creating this channel to learn how to program. Well, I've been attempting to learn how to program for a while with little success. There's been a bit of success here and there, but I'm not where I want to be. I've been using an online platform called Launch School, but before that I did do some programming in college. I got a degree in informatics, and with college, as some of you know, when you're learning classes, you only have like 8 weeks at best to learn something, and in my opinion, I don't think that's the best way to fully grasp and learn something. So I struggled in school when I was learning how to program, but I still enjoyed it, especially when we were doing projects and we had to do assignments that were of had a project to them. That's where I really enjoyed. So unfortunately, with school, you have little time. So I decided when I graduated from college that I was going to continue to learn programming. I have a background in IT. I am based in the United States and I work as a network administrator. I love what I do, love my job. I love the organization I work for. It's a non-profit Christian organization. Part of my growth is I want to learn to program. I did have a choice to either learn networking, computer networking, or learn cybersecurity. But I went for the programming route because, in my opinion, technology is evolving. I'm seeing that programming is needed in all the disciplines of IT. Even if I don't end up being a traditional software engineer and I still pursue the IT route, I think having programming on my resume or just as a skill set is going to be really beneficial. So anyway, I talked about struggles. Yes, I have been struggling. And part of the reason for this struggle has been due to me just having that lack of consistency. It's been a year and a half of me trying to learn programming post-graduation, and there's been various reasons. I also do work a full-time job, but it's also been learning how to be more disciplined. I've really tried to incorporate different ways of learning and making sure that I'm disciplined. I've created a system for myself, for example. I've been learning how to create good, healthy habits for myself. But I think that just wasn't enough. And one of the biggest things that I saw was missing was the accountability factor. I was really trying to do this by myself when I first started. I was working in isolation, but luckily things have been getting better. I found a good group of people that I now regard as friends through Launch School that I study with. In fact, we communicate every day, so it's awesome. But I wanted to take it a step further to create this channel as a public accountability platform. But not only that, I hope in the future I can create a community of like-minded people that are going through the same struggles. Maybe you've been trying to learn programming, or maybe another skill you want to learn, but you've just been seeing yourself struggling to keep consistent or keep the momentum going. Yeah, if you're in that boat, then this channel is for you. Let's work together and encourage each other on that. So I also want to journal and document what I'm doing. Part of my videos will be me just showing everyone the classes that I'm doing at Launch School, the ups and downs, what I'm struggling with, what I'm learning, and hopefully I can teach the things that I'm learning. But as of now, I'm nowhere near teaching level. I'm just going to be discussing my experiences. And also, I welcome suggestions. Maybe some of you who are watching this are seasoned programmers, or some of you are actually from Launch School and you've gone through the curriculum or you've done capstone. And if you have any advice, please, you're more than welcome to reach out or just comment in the comment section. That would be awesome. So yeah, I tried to use a script, but I'm just going freestyle. I was spending so much time, so I might rumble or repeat myself. This is my first video. I hope everything makes sense in what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to this journey. In fact, just starting to create videos is actually motivating me to to program a lot more. And like I said, I'm putting myself out to the public for everyone to see. I have no excuses at this point. So yeah, this is just a short video just to introduce myself and to let everyone know about my intentions for this channel. I'm hoping that I'll be creating videos every week, but since I'm starting and I'm learning how to like edit videos and set up, have this setup going on, I'm probably gonna be committing to a video every 2 weeks until I start getting into the workflow of things. So, and I also need to come up with content. The more I do Launch School, the more content that I'll bring. This is something that's been in work since last year. As of this recording, we are now in January. So this is January the 2nd, 2025. So this isn't like, maybe it is a New Year's resolution, but I've been thinking or working on this since last year, probably in the summer of last year of 2024. So finally I was like, yeah, you know what? Let me just do it now. Let me just get my camera out, learn how to get my lighting, and just start documenting and learn how to share my experiences with others. So yeah, that's enough of my ramblings. I hope you all enjoyed this video or you got something out of it. And don't forget to, comment or leave a like or even subscribe. And there will be more content coming soon. I'm looking forward to engaging with you all. I hope you all had a happy new year and enjoy what's to come for 2025. Thank you.